You want a video or you want a photo?
Video.
Video. You on it, right? You just pop it here, attach and you can leave.
Okay.
Yes, one speed. So don't try this at home. Then with this, right, you can pick up heavy objects as well. One suction for all. Then you can on and on. Remember, no water allowed here. This is only presentation.
I see.
So you stop it here, on it, one honk, press it over here to detach, and just dump away. Clean it. It's washable, and clean it with a damp cloth, and you get the jobs done. Alright, then if you want to use on the floor, right, you can use another gadget.